I put 9,000 miles on this bike stock, and people say exhaust and stuff do not add power. It may not have added power, but it definitely changed where the power comes from. Like low revs, I mean, it cranks up way faster in the low revs. Like I found like rut, or let's just say a pothole or something in the road, a rut in the road. You know, you used to not be able to get the front tire to come up to go over it smoothly, but I've definitely noticed that it'll come up a lot easier now. But there's definitely more low end grunt. And that's what you need on a bike like this.